morning, Miss Hafi.
Good morning, Shifa. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
I'm glad you could make it today. I'm glad you make it today. Bentar. I'm glad you could
Yang mana?
make it today. I'm glad you could make it today.
Thank you for inviting me. I've been looking forward to our discussion.
So have I. We finished reviewing your manuscript and I'd like to share our evaluation with you.
That's wonderful. I'm excited to hear your feedback.
Overall, our editorial team was very impressed with your manuscript. The writing is engaging.
Thank you very much.
Belum,
I-
Ain.
Oh, belum lama ya.
It's well organized and the content is well.
Hampir
Okay. Overall, our editorial team was very impressed with your manuscript. The writing is engaging, the structure is well organized, and the content is both informative and relevant to today's readers.
Thank you very much. I spent almost 2 years researching and writing this book, so your feedback means a lot to me.
It certainly shows we believe your book has strong commercial potential, especially among university students and young professionals.
That's exactly the audience I hope to reach.
After several internal discussions, we've decided that we'd like to offer you a publishing partnership.
I'm delighted to hear that. I will always admire your publishing company because of its professionalism and the quality of the publication.
Thank you, Shifa. We appreciate your trust in us.
Before we discuss the details, may I ask what made your company interested?
Udah langsung aja before.
Dari go before. Okay.
Berapa lagi?
Before we discuss the details, may I ask what made your company interest in my manuscript?
Of course, we receive hundreds of manuscripts every month, but yours stood out because it offers practical insight supported by real examples. In addition, your writing style is easy to understand, making it suitable for a wide range of readers.
I'm glad my hard work paid off.
It certainly did.
So, what kind of partnership are you offering?
Let's go over the details together.
I'd like to talk about the initial print run first. Since the topic of this book is currently trending, would it be possible to increase the first print run to 3.000 apa itu?
Ulang, I'd like to talk.
Apa namanya? I'd like to talk about the initial print run first. Since the topic in this book is currently trending, would it be possible to increase the first print run to 3,000 copies instead of 2,000?
That's an interesting suggestion. However, for a first-time collaboration, printing 3,000 copies will involve a higher financial risk.
I understand your current my reason is that I believe the book has strong market potential, exponential with the promotional ya. I understand your concern. My reason is that I believe the book has strong market potential, exponential with the promotional activities I plan to conduct.
We appreciate your confidence. How about we think halfway? We could print to... Bentar. Ini apaan tuh? Kalau kayak gini gue langsung kelihatan nggak tak? Kalau bisa baca kayak gini.
Enggak.
Dari kelihatan kelihatan nggak?
Kelihatan sih.
Kelihatan nggak tak?
Enggak.
Oke. Mulai dari gue.
Lalu 2.000.
We appreciate your confidence. How about meeting halfway? We could print 2,500 copies for the first edition.
This sounds reasonable. I can agree to 2,500 copies.
Excellent. If the first edition sells out quickly, we will immediately discuss a second printing.
Speaking of a second printing, will the royalty rate remain the same?
Yes, the 10% royalty will apply to every copy sold. including future reprints, unless both parties agree to revise the terms.
I'm glad to hear that.
Do you have any other concerns?
Yes, I'd like to know how often royalty payments will be made.
Dulu. Ini mana anjing? Quarter.
Ini
Gue normally jadi we normally calculate royalties every 3 months and transfer the payment directly to the author's bank account.
We also receive a detailed sales report.
Absolutely, every quarterly report will include the number of books printed, books sold, remaining stock, return copies, and the royalty calculation.
That's very transparent. I appreciate that.
Transparency is one of our company's core values.
Thank you. Another question I have is about copyright.
Certainly.
I would like to retain full ownership of the copyright.
That won't be a problem. You will remain the copyright holder. Our company will only receive the exclusive right to publish, print, market, and distribute the book during the contract period.
That's exactly what I was hoping for. Gue salah sih. Ya.
We believe intellectual property should always belong to its creator.
I'm happy to hear that your company follows another right.
Of course.
I'd also like to discuss promotional activities besides promoting the book of social media. I'm willing to attend book fairs, university seminars, interview, and book signing events.
That's excellent. In return, our marketing department will organize promotional campaigns, collaborate with bookstores, advertise on digital platforms, and contact several media outlets for interviews.
That sounds like a comprehensive marketing strategy.
We want to maximize ya. Satu related. We want to maximize the book's visibility from the very beginning.
I really appreciate that commitment.
We'd also like to hear your opinion about the book's retail price.
I think affordable price will attract more readers. What price are you considering?
Based on our production costs, we're planning to sell it for 120,000 rupiah per copy.
That sounds reasonable. I believe readers will find good value at that price.
I'm glad you agree.
I have one more request.
Please go ahead.
Would it be possible to receive ya? Would it be possible to receive 30 complimentary? Pokoknya kalau dari Would it be possible to receive 30 complimentary copies instead of 20? I'd like to use them for book reviewers, influencers, and promotional giveaway.
30 copies would be a little difficult for us.
I understand. Comfortable. Monyet di I understand. Tren kenapa ada trennya sih gua? Benar understand.
Iya benar itu benar.
Understand. Itu cuma ada bawah enggak?
Kenapa sih? Gue lihat itu.
I understand. What would you be comfortable offering?
How about 25 community copies? We believe that's a fair compromise.
That's acceptable. Thank you for being flexible.
You're welcome.
Another thing I'd like to clarify is the duration of our publishing agreement.
We usually sign a publishing agreement for 5 years. After that, both parties can decide whether to renew it.
5 years sounds reasonable.
During that period, we will have the exclusive publishing rights. Salah.
Mas dari luar?
Gue sodok mulut lu ya. Tuh kan gak jelas nih. During the period, we will have the exclusive publishing rights, while you will continue to own the copyright.
That's clear.
If the books performs exceptionally well, we may also discuss. If the book performs exceptionally well, we might.
Udah sih terabas aja.
If the book, udah belum Kak?
Udah.
If the book performs exceptionally well, Sarah. If the book performs exceptionally well, we may also discuss translating it into English or publishing a digital edition.
That would be a wonderful opportunity. I will always hope my work could reach international readers.
We believe that possible if the books achieves strong sales.
I am willing to support that goal.
Excellent. I believe we have successfully reached an agreement on the major. I believe we have successfully reached an agreement on the major business terms.
I agree. Thank you for listening to my I agree. Thank you for listening to my concern and being open to negotiation.
Negotiation is an important part of building a successful partnership. We want both parties to feel satisfied with the agreement.
I appreciate your professionalism.
Thank you, Rin. Thank you. Thank you, Shifa. Now I'd like to discuss the next step before we prepare the official publishing contract.
Milan? Itu Sarah Milan.
Thank you, Shifa. Now I'd like to discuss the next step before we prepare the official publishing contract.
Canterly, what do you have in mind?
Before signing the publishing contract, we'd like both parties to sign a MOU. It summarizes the key points we've agreed on today and serves as the foundation for the final contract.
That sounds reasonable. What information will be included in the MOU?
The MOU will include the agreed royalty rate of 10%, the initial fee rent of 205,000 copies, the number of complementary copies, your promotional. Bentar. Bentar dong. Cuman, bisa nggak tak tangan gue jangan kelihatan gitu?
Ya.
Buntung aja.
Astagfirullahaladzim, ya Allah. 1, 2. The MOU will include the agreed royalty rate of 10%, the initial point run of 205.
2000.
MOU will include the agreed royalty. Sarah.
Cara bolak-balik aku mau ibu ikat.
The MOU will include the agreed royalty rate of 10%, the initial print run of 2,500 copies, the number of complementary copies, your promotional responsibilities are publishing and distribution commitments, the copyright arrangement, and the payment schedule for royalties.
I think that's a good way to make sure we're on the same spec before signing. Signing. I think that's a good way to make sure we're on the same spec before signing the full correct. The contract. Itu take away.
Bentar no.
I think that's a good way to make sure we're on the same spec before signing the full contract.
Exactly. It also allows both of us to review the agreement carefully before it becomes legally binding.
I appreciate your company's professional approach.
Thank you. We always aim to build long-term relationship with our authors.
When would you like to sign the MOU?
Will next Wednesday at 10 a.m. be convenient? Iya Sarah. Well, next with the dua. Well, next. Well, next Wednesday at 10 a.m. Be convenient for you.
Yes, that works perfectly. I'll make sure to be here. Kalau gue salah.
Well, next Wednesday at 10 a.m. Be convenient for you.
Yes, that works perfectly. I will.
Tidak ada gue lagi ya.
Jemu dari siapa?
Jemput.
Tadi kalau
Well, next Wednesday at 10 a.m. Be convenient for you.
yes, that works perfectly. I'll make sure to be here on time.
Wonderful. We'll email you the draft tomorrow so you can review it before the meeting.
Thank you. If I have any question after reading it, may I contact you?
Of course, feel free to call or email me anytime.
I appreciate apa tadi?
Appreciate that.
Appreciate that. Dari gue aja ya?
Ya.
Apa gimana?
Lu aja.
Feel free to call or email me anytime.
Appreciate that.
Is there anything else you'd like to discuss today?
No, I think we've covered everything. Thank you for taking the time to answer all my questions.
It was my pleasure. We're excited to work with you.
Tadi kan gue salah dan nahan ketawa nggak bisa kok. So am I. Believe this partnership will be beneficial for both for us.
I completely agree.
Thank you again, Mr. Sarah.
Yep.
Silakan lanjut, Wil. Appreciate that.
Is there anything else you'd like to discuss today?
No, I think we've covered everything. Thank you for taking the time to answer all my questions.
It was my pleasure. We're excited to work with you.
So I believe this partnership will be beneficial for both of us.
I completely agree.
Thank you again, Miss Hafi. I will see you next Wednesday.
Thank you, Shifa. Have a safe trip home.
Thank you. I have a wonderful day.
Udah coy.